Bengaluru was known as a pensioner's paradise. Later, it got to be known as the Garden City, and today the world knows it as the IT hub of India, the Silicon Valley, so to speak. Why are you here on a Tuesday afternoon? Come on, you guys have to be going to a movie or something, What's actually exciting about IKEA for you guys?
Oh, we love the variety and the wide variety of choice.
I particularly told you not to tell that, but... A couple of years ago, I came across a very suffocating video wherein thousands of people thronged IKEA Hyderabad after it was inaugurated in the city. I never understood the craze people had for it. Cut to 2022, in Bengaluru, IKEA made an entry with a bang. Similar scenes everywhere, drone shows, crowds at metro stations. It has been a mad rush. On a cloudy Sunday morning in Bengaluru, thousands of visitors lined up outside the Nagasandra metro station, hoping to get a tour of the newly inaugurated IKEA store in the city. Inauguration of the store was done by Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai in the presence of Industries Minister Murugesh Nirani, Swedish Ambassador, and the IKEA India CEO. Naturally, we were excited to see what IKEA has in store for us. On the weekends, there was a 3 to 4 hour waiting line, with the Nagasandra metro reporting a record footfall. This triggered a meme fest on the internet. We decided to drive down to IKEA to take a tour and also ask customers what the hell they were doing in a furniture store on a weekend instead of spending their time in a park or a pub. Bengaluru was known as the pensioner's paradise, and today it is known as the IT hub and the Garden City. You have pubs, libraries, parks, and whatnot, and basically you have the A to Z experience for anybody who is in the city and is coming from outside the city. In such a city, another mega project has come up in the form of IKEA, a furniture store that has been attracting thousands of visitors on a busy Tuesday afternoon. Now, why is this phenomenon happening? Why have they invested 3,000 crores? And the Chief Minister was here very recently, and a lot of celebrities have been coming here, and there is a energy around this place where the metro footfall has increased from 13,000 in Nagasandra to a massive 30,000. Now we are going to study this phenomenon, and today at Swarajya we are going to be taking a tour of IKEA Bengaluru. As soon as we enter the place, there's an aura around it. IKEA is located in Nagasandra near Tumkur Road, which may technically be considered a little on the outskirts of Bengaluru, but that doesn't seem to be an inconvenience for many since it's easily accessible through the metro. Spread over 12 acres, the 460,000 square feet IKEA store will feature more than 7,000 home furnishing products, along with 65 room sets for ideas and inspirations. Just in a matter of a few days, more than 1 lakh people have visited IKEA in Bengaluru. Why are you here, and why are you here on a Tuesday afternoon? Come on, you guys have to be going to a movie or something, Why are you here at IKEA? Who wants to go first?
We just knew that there won't be much crowd today as compared to the weekends. So yeah.
You heard about the rush on the weekend?
Yeah, we heard about that. Got the WhatsApp forwards.
And what's actually exciting about IKEA for you guys?
Oh, we love the variety and the wide variety of choice.
I particularly told you not to tell that, but...
Wait, what?
What about you?
Furniture. What?
You've come to the right place. If you want to really explore the whole place in a manner that is not bound by any time limitation, you can easily end up spending 4 to 5 hours. We are here at the cafeteria of IKEA. While the cheesecake is absolutely delicious, the waiting might trouble you a little bit. But otherwise, on a Tuesday afternoon where everybody is supposed to be in office, and remember, this is technically on the outskirts of Bangalore, you see hundreds and thousands of people still wanting to shop in IKEA. This is insane. I've never seen so much passion for a bloody furniture shop. I mean, that is what it is. But otherwise, the experience is fantastic. It's divided into two levels. The first level is basically where you experience what they have, you explore all the options, and once you're tired, you can eat a cheesecake which will energize you. Then you go down, shop whatever you want, you bill, and come out a happy man, and directly take the metro, which is right next to the IKEA showroom here. It's been a fantastic experience so far, and I'll get back to eating my cake now. According to IKEA, they have employed 1,000 co-workers with 72% local co-workers. The store also has said that they believe in empowering women and has seen women taking up jobs traditionally reserved for men, such as forklift driving, power stacking, assembly and installation services. The store will also house one of the largest children's play area, along with a 1,000-seater restaurant and a bistro serving a mix of Swedish and Indian delicacies. We spoke to a few customers, some of whom were annoyed with the waiting queue at the restaurant, but others who were also excited just to be there and to explore all the options.
My name is Kamlesh and I am staying in a Kerpuram location and working with IT company.
You're coming all the way from Kerpura.
Yeah.
How was your IKEA experience, so far?
So far it is really nice. I mean, only one drawback what we have actually seen. I'll just shoot up with the drawbacks and then I'll tell you the good things. Food is the only where we actually got a lot of delay in that. And rest of things probably it is so nice. And it's one of the best experience I have ever seen because I can see thousands of varieties of items. It's not only one or two, we can pick it up. Okay, this might be one of the best, but we can see most of the items are best actually.
For women, is there anything special in IKEA? What's your experience so far?
See, for women, actually, women already means always likes kitchen things, okay? So, kitchen things are good. Few are cheap and few are expensive also. But so far, it is good.
Baby, what do you like?
Yet to start.
But all in all, it was a great experience. It seems to be a very promising venture. If you haven't already visited IKEA, weekdays would be a great time to visit. But if you are someone who likes crowds and doesn't necessarily mind the waiting line, then weekends too can be fun with your family, friends and loved ones. IKEA, however, has also encouraged its customers to shop online to avoid the rush in the newly inaugurated store. Let us know what you thought about this vlog and if we must do this more frequently. And remember not to forget to subscribe to Swarajya. Until next time, folks.